I just tested an AI tool that literally recreates viral videos for your product, and my mind is truly blown, so I am really excited to share this with you today. The tool is called Topview AI, and it is powered by OpenAI Sora 2, which explains why the visuals are so realistic. If you're a marketer and e-com seller, if you do print on demand and promote on a theme page, or you're any kind of content creator, this tool just might change everything about how quickly you create content. So today I'm going to show you exactly how it works. I'm going to recreate a profitable viral video, and I'm going to show you the original video versus the AI recreation, because my mind was absolutely blown and I couldn't even tell the difference between the real one and the AI one. So before I show you the demo, let's just quickly do an overview of Topview AI. You can take any viral video from a platform such as TikTok or YouTube and use that for your inspiration. The tool is going to analyze it and understand the pacing, the camera angles, the script, the transitions, the motions, and even the timing. Then it's going to recreate that video, but in your brand style with your very own product. It's going to bring any static image that you have of a product fully to life. And this all happens automatically without any editing and literally just the click of a button with AI. So let's pop over to my computer and see this in action. So this is the Topview AI dashboard, and what we're going to do is use the viral video agent right here. So click on that, and all we need to do is add our image, upload a reference video. And you can see here there's a whole entire ad library for you to look at. There is trending videos here that you can search by viral hooks, by Christmas, by unboxings. And here's a little extra tip for you. This little tool will help you search by, for example, Christmas cup or whatever your product is, and it will rank videos from the amount that they've sold and the revenue. So for example, if we want to do a Christmas mug, the actual mug and video has done $1,500 in revenue. So we can click on that, and then it will open up here and we can go to the TikTok video link or download the video. So I have modeled this mug with my very own design. So what I'm going to do is download this video to my desktop and then take it back over to Topview AI. And I also made my very own print on demand version of this mug. So I'm also going to save this photo to my desktop. All right, so I have the picture of my mug added. I've also uploaded the inspiration viral video, and we're just going to hit this arrow right here. And as you can see, it's going to analyze the information that we've given it, and it produced a questionnaire for us here. So we're going to type in funny coffee mug for daughter-in-law, and we're going to upload the product image again right here and make sure all of these boxes are selected. So that is all set there, and we can go ahead and click confirm. And boom, here is the video completely made for us. And if you decide that you love the video, you can go ahead and download it right here, or you can try a different style and let it create variations for you so you can decide what you like the best. And it will give you the storyboard and create a new second video. Highly recommend using these videos to actually add to listings on Etsy. Here are some key benefits of actually using videos in your listings. It's going to help boost conversions because that can lead to more orders by providing transparency and context. It also improves search ranking because Etsy's algorithm favors listings with videos, potentially pushing them higher in search results. Also, it showcases the product and demonstrates size, scale, movement, all things that photos miss. So that is one huge bonus, along with if you have a theme page, sharing it over there for your audience to engage with your products. Okay, so here is the moment. Let's actually compare. This is the viral video. This original video had a trending sound, jingle bells playing with it, which made it fun and festive, but for YouTube purposes, I had to mute it. And this is the AI recreation. And this one had a voiceover on it, but I would also recommend using a trending sound. Insane. I literally cannot believe it. The angles, the pacing, the vibe, how realistic it looks, and with my product. This would normally take ordering the product, waiting for it to be produced and shipped. That costs a lot of money, and then scripting it out, doing multiple takes, editing it, and instead we produce that with the click of a button. And if I didn't know that was AI, I truly would have no clue. So whether you're doing Etsy print on demand and you want to add product videos to your listing, or you're doing a theme page with print on demand, you can use those videos to market your products on your theme page. So the name of the game right now is speed, quantity, and trend hacking. And this tool gives you a full team with one tool. So if you're ready to turn viral video inspiration into ready to post content automatically, Topview AI is definitely one of the most impressive AI tools that I've tested recently, and you can try it out with my link down below. Let me know what viral video you want me to recreate next, and I might do a full AI video recreation series. So if you haven't subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button right now. Give this video a thumbs up for the algorithm, and I will see you in the next one.